Welcome back, adventurers! In today's guide, we'll walk you through how to obtain the powerful dragon's Indignation Greatsword in Metaphor, ReFantazio. If you're ready to take on an epic challenge and add this legendary weapon to your arsenal, let's dive right in. To get started, you need to head to the Nod Mines, one of the game's optional, but rewarding dungeons. Deep within these mines, you'll face a fearsome optional boss, Fire Dragon Mauna. Defeating this dragon is the key to unlocking the dragon's Indignation Greatsword. The Fire Dragon is no easy foe, but with the right strategy, you can take it down. The dragon is weak to ice-based attacks, so make sure to have a mage with powerful ice spells like Blizz in your party. Stock up on healing items and revive potions, as this battle will test your endurance. To maximize your chances, ensure your characters are well leveled and equipped with ice-enhanced weapons. If possible, use items like ice chunks to deal additional damage. Once you've defeated the Fire Dragon, a chest will appear, and inside it, you'll find the dragon's Indignation Greatsword. But there's one more step before you can fully wield its power. To unlock the full potential of this weapon, head to the St. Firmus Church and purify the sword. Keep in mind that you need to have your tolerance stat at level 2 to access this feature. Once purified, the dragon's Indignation Greatsword will be ready for battle. And there you have it. The dragon's Indignation Greatsword is now yours, a weapon worthy of any hero's journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment if you found this guide helpful. Until next time, adventurers, stay powerful.